Let's learn how to make peanut butter at home. It will be less costly than what we buy from outside in the markets or from the online shops, and it will be much more safer and much more healthier actually. And it is very good for the protein, especially for those who are trying to build muscles at the gym or just trying to be fit. As you can see, I already have the roasted peanuts, and these are almost peeled. Now I will just add them to the grinder and grind it until it becomes smooth butter. Now it does not require any butter or oil, just a little bit pinch of salt and sugar. But the oil part is unnecessary. If you can add if you wish. You can avoid if you want to avoid it. It's not compulsion. You can add chocolates to it if it requires, according to your taste. But for me, no chocolate. So let's go. It has completely turned into a powder.